Enjoying the sunshine. Malamig siya pero okay lang. Yay! Just so lucky that I live here in Vancouver. You got everything. The water, mountain, look at that view behind me. And that's Science World over there. What a blessing. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. The weather is perfect today. Enjoying the blue sky, sunshine. That's a Science World. And I'm planning to go down. Look at that. Lovely weather today. Anyway, I'm planning to go down, but it's a bit steep. Awesome. Hi everyone. What a lovely day. Grabe, ang ganda ng weather ngayon. It's perfect. Look at the blue sky, the green grasses. It's just so lucky to live here in Vancouver. Amazing. And look at that mountain over there. That's the BC Place. Wow. Amazing.